The thing that a lot of stylists make a mistake with curly hair, they'll stretch the hair when they're cutting it, and then they'll cut, and then by the time that hair draws up, it's 2 inches shorter than the customer really wants. Curls are kind of like snowflakes. They're all different, and I'm just cutting per curl, literally, and just a tiny bit. These pieces here on the side would be shorter. Your hairline is just distinctive to you, and that actually is kind of like your foundation. We just literally just cut per curl. So when you're sitting in my chair for a consultation and you come in, I can do a little bit of this and tell what kind of curl you have. And then usually Jamie twists her hair when she styles instead of rake and shake, so she really gets some gorgeous long curls. Hardest part of learning all this for me was styling hair when precision haircuts were the big thing. And you know, this piece and this piece had to be exactly the same. You really can't do that with curly hair because all the curls are different.